Good morning students and welcome back in our video lecture with the new topic water, a precious resource. So student, you have studied about water in previous standard also. So tell me, what are the properties of water? Yes, water is colorless, odorless, also it is tasteless, but it is very important resource. So why water is important? What do you think student? What are the uses of water? Yes, the most important use of water is it is used for drinking. Means all living things, all animals, plants and human beings also. We cannot live without water. Means we can live without food for few days, but we cannot live without water. So water is the most important part of our life. Also, water is used for domestic purposes such as washing, cooking, watering plants, bathing, means for cleaning purposes also. Also, it is very important for digestion of food. It is used in the process of photosynthesis by plants. It has agricultural use. In industries also, water is used as raw material. Also, it is important for maintaining our body temperature. Then, means plants cannot grow without water, and also we cannot survive without water. So our basic need food is indirectly fulfilled by water. Then also water is important for production of electricity. So water has a lot of importance in our daily life. We cannot, even we cannot assume, we cannot imagine our life without water, because water is very important part of all plants, animals and human beings. So water those students, water has that much important. But nowadays what happens, even some many people in our country are not getting water for drinking. So many parts of our country, also many part of world facing water problem, water crisis is there. So what do you think student, how much water we need per day? So when we are thinking about this, then each and every person require almost 50 liter water per day. It's about 2.5 bucket. So is your family member getting this much water? If your answer is yes, then members getting this much water daily, then this you should consider yourself fortunate, because millions of people in our country do not get enough water. Even they are not getting water for drinking. So to focus on this water problem, to highlight this importance of water, the value of water in our daily life, every day we are celebrating World Water Day. So you know about World Water Day. What is the history of World Water Day? So its history is, the resolution to observe World Water Day was first adopted by the United Nations General Assembly on December 22, 1992. After which March 22 was declared as World Water Day and is celebrated around the world since 1993. So what is purpose of this theme of World Water Day? So its purpose is to highlight the value of water in our daily life and raising awareness about the water crisis that the world faces. So students, you have to use this water sparingly, because maybe in future we will not get enough water for drinking, because many people are suffering from this problem. So student, you know why our planet is called blue planet or watery planet? Because when we just look our earth from space, then it looks blue in color, and that's why it is called blue planet. And when we consider about its surface area, so almost 71% of earth's surface is covered by water. So student, though this much water is present in our earth, then why we are suffering from this water problem? Why we are not, why many people not getting water for drinking? What is the reason behind it? What do you think student? Though earth surface means almost 71% area of earth is covered by water, then why we are not getting water for our daily life? Why we are facing this problem? Why there is need to celebrate this World Water Day? What is the reason behind it? What do you think student? So the reason behind it is, almost 97% water from Earth's surface. Means the water available on the Earth's surface is almost 71% of Earth's surface area. But 97% water is found or it is present in oceans, and you all know this water is salty, and that's why we cannot use this water for drinking. Also, we cannot use this water for agricultural purposes. We cannot use this for domestic purposes, and that's why this water is not used by animals, plants and human beings. Then remaining water means how much remaining water is. Most of the fresh water, it is in frozen in glaciers and in the polar areas of Earth. So only small fraction, that is 0.01%, is available for human use, and this small amount of water is repeatedly recycled for use by animals and human beings. The water suitable for drinking by human being is called potable water. So this potable water on the earth is how much percent? 0.01%. So water that we get from various sources may not be fit for drinking. It may have dissolved salts along with suspended particles and microorganisms. So we have to take care of this also. So students, that's why we are facing this problem, because that water get polluted because of certain factors, certain human activities. So we have to use this water sparingly. Then this water which is present on earth is in the different forms, means it is in solid, liquid and gaseous form. So the solid form, snow and ice, is present as ice caps at the poles of earth, snow covered mountains and glaciers. Liquid water is present in oceans, lakes, rivers and even underground. And the gaseous form of water is water vapor, which is present in air around us. So these are the different forms of water. So what are the sources of water? A river, ocean, sea, pond, lake, then tube wells, streams, springs, all these are sources of water, and the main important source of water is rain. So student, today we have discussed about World Water Day. So when we celebrate World Water Day? On March 22. We all are celebrating this World Water Day. And what is the purpose of this World Water Day? To highlight the valuation of water and also raising awareness about water crisis which are faced by many people in world. Then what are the sources of water? River, ocean, seas, spring, wells, tube wells, then ponds, lakes, all these are sources of water. Rain is main source of water. Then why this earth is called blue planet? Because when we just observe our earth, when we see our earth from space, then it looks blue, and almost 71% of earth's surface is covered by water. That's why it is also called watery planet, water planet or blue planet. Okay, then though this much water is available on the earth, then why we are suffering from water crisis? Why we are facing water problem? Because 97% of water is in ocean, and that's why it is salty, so we cannot use for domestic purposes, also for agricultural industries we cannot use this water. And the remaining fresh water is in the frozen form in glaciers and in the polar areas of earth. So only 0.01% water is available for human use, and that's why we are facing these water problems. I hope you got all points related to World Water Day, then sources of water, why we are facing these water problems, how much water is available, and tell me what is the need of water for per person per day? Almost 50 liter per person per day. And what are the different forms of water? Water is present in solid, liquid and gaseous form on the earth. So solid form of water is snow and ice, which is present as ice cap at the poles of earth, snow covered mountains and glaciers. Liquid water is present in all these sources of water, and the gaseous form is water vapor. I hope you got all points. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.